Hey, let's take a look at some of our after-hours movers here. A couple of names to keep in mind as we transition our focus to tomorrow's opening bell. So we have Apple here off just a fraction, Amazon just about flat here after hours. The reason why we're bringing up these two names, even though we're not seeing a huge movement in the stock, is that Berkshire Hathaway actually boosting its stake in both of these companies. This coming from the 13F filings that were just released after the bell. Now, previously, Berkshire did disclose in its 10Q filing that Apple was its largest holding as of June 30th. So Apple and Amazon, two names to keep in mind as we look forward to tomorrow's opening bell. Tencent, another mover here after hours, up just about 3%. Tencent out with earnings after the bell. A couple of numbers here. 9 cents on EPS, beating the street's expectations. Sales, though, coming in a bit short, just over $1 billion. Their paying users, though, did rise during the quarter, up to 82.7 million. Mobile monthly active users of online music, 539 million. That slightly missed the expectations, but the paying users seems like what the street is paying close attention to. That up just about 3%. Let's take a look at ZipRecruiter. ZipRecruiter falling off just about 5% here after our third quarter revenue guidance coming up short, cutting their full year revenue view. A big part of this is because of what they've seen in the labor market over the last couple of months. Now, CEO Ian Siegel saying in the earnings release that while the quarter was strong in June, we did begin to see some signs of a cooling hiring environment. That's why they lowered their forecast for the year and for the third quarter. For the second quarter, EPS topping the street's estimates at 11 cents, sales of 239.9 million. That's a jump of 31% from just a year ago. Let's take a look at Compass. Now you can see Compass off just about 12% here after hours. The street not too excited about the numbers that we're getting there. A wider loss than what we were initially looking for, a loss of 24 cents. Revenue of 2.02 million. That's up about 4% from what we were seeing a year ago. The company also announcing new cost reduction program with approximately $320 million in savings. We're seeing the action after hours. The shares off just about 12%.